Salesforce consultant is one of the highest paying Salesforce job out there, and the reason behind this is the demand for Salesforce consultant are very high. But there are very less qualified candidates out there, and if you want to make a mark in the Salesforce world as a Salesforce consultant, this video is must watch for you, as we'll be going to discuss everything you need to know about this amazing job role. So without further ado, let's dive in. Let's first start by understanding who exactly is a Salesforce consultant. So a Salesforce consultant is a professional who helps businesses to implement, customize, and integrate Salesforce. They work with businesses to understand their needs and then develop a Salesforce solution that meet those needs. They are also responsible for providing training and support to help businesses get most out of Salesforce. I know this definition is pretty long and confusing, so let's take a simple example to understand this. Imagine that you are building a new house. You have a general idea of what you want, but you need the help of an architect to turn your ideas into detailed blueprint. Architect works with you to understand your needs and budget and then design a house that meets your requirement. Once the blueprint is completed, you need the contractor to build the house. The contractor works with a team of skilled workers to bring the architect's design to life. The contractor also oversees the projects and ensures that the house is built to code and on time and within budget. So a Salesforce consultant is like the architect and contractor for your Salesforce implementation. They work with you to understand your business needs and goals and then design and implement a Salesforce solution that meets your requirement. They also provide ongoing support to help you get the most out of Salesforce investment. So Salesforce consultant typically perform a variety of tasks, and these includes need assessment, solution design, implementation, and support. Let's understand them one by one. Salesforce consultants start by meeting with businesses to understand their needs and goals. They assess the business's current process and systems and then identify areas where Salesforce can be used to improve efficiency and effectiveness. Once the consultant has a good understanding of the business needs, they design a Salesforce solution that will meet those needs. This may involve customizing Salesforce objects, fields, and flows. The consultant may also need to integrate Salesforce with other systems that the business uses. Once the solution is designed, the consultant helps the business to implement it. This may involve configuring Salesforce, migrating data, and training users. After the solution is implemented, the consultant provides support to the businesses. This may involve helping users to troubleshoot problems, answering questions, and providing training on new Salesforce features. Now let's talk about money. How much you can earn as a Salesforce consultant. On an average, the salary for a Salesforce consultant in India is 9 lakh per year, and the average salary for a Salesforce consultant in US is $100,000 per year. But how can you become a Salesforce consultant? So if you are interested in becoming a Salesforce consultant, there are few things you can do to get started. Number one, get certified. Salesforce offers variety of certifications that can help you to demonstrate your skills and knowledge to your potential employers. Some of the most popular Salesforce certification for consultant includes Salesforce Certified Administrator and Salesforce Certified Consultant certifications like Salesforce Sales Cloud Consultant, Salesforce Service Cloud Consultant, and many more. Second important thing is get some experience. As per my knowledge, companies generally don't recruit freshers for the role of Salesforce consultant. As for this position, you will be directly working with the clients, and for that you need a proper understanding and experience onto the platform. So you can either get some experience as a Salesforce admin, developer, or business analyst, and then eventually when you think you got the complete understanding of the platform, you can go ahead and apply for the position of consultant, or you can ask about this within your company as well. Last thing that you need is to network with other Salesforce professionals. Networking with other Salesforce professionals is a great way to learn about Salesforce new opportunities. That's all for today. I hope this video gave you some clarity about the role of Salesforce consultant. If you want to know how a day in a life of Salesforce consultant look like, tell us in the comment below and we'll create a detailed video on it. And make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to Salesforce Hulk for more such amazing content.